Barely 2 days ago, India Today exposed and reported about that viral image of actor Darshan, murder accused, torture accused, who was chilling his life away in the prison. And after heads rolled in the prison, the transfer has also happened. So these are the latest visuals on your screen. Bengaluru's Parapanagaraha prison, where actor Darshan was imprisoned for a while the investigation has been on. In this case, he's now been shifted to Bellary prison. This is early this morning, the visuals that have come in. ACP Rangappa, senior ranked officer, was escorting the accused. The other accused individuals will be moved to different prisons. All of them have now been separated because when they were in the same prison, it was a gala time, party time, cigarettes, beverages, video phone calls, while you've been accused of torture and murder and you're such a well-known face. It should have been responsibility. Instead, it was to while away the fun time. So that's the news coming in, the visuals of the vehicle. And remember, because he's, after all, a high-security, high-profile prisoner as well, therefore a senior rank officer was to escort the vehicles for the prisoners for a safe transfer. And remember, this means all of them, which means about 11 to 12 accused who were taken in custody on this, all of them have been now separated. And remember, he was sitting with another gangster, Garden Naga, and that also has faced the action right now. But this is a reminder that this came to surface because of some of the viral, undated images. What more was happening or continues to happen in many other prisons? And perhaps it's time to ask a question, reflect and introspect on that as well. Anaga Keshav joins me for the latest on that. Anaga, in many ways, this is a culmination of all the conversations we've been having over the past 2-3 days. First, we were talking about the viral image, what happened, questions, and now we see the impact of that reportage that you and your colleagues have done from Bengaluru. What is it right now? Tell us more details. Have all of them been separated? All of them will be put in different prisons?
Well, that's right, Pooja. Darshan has already been moved out of Parapanagaraha prison in Bangalore. We've been told that all the other accused as well who is involved in the Renukaswamy case are shifted across Karnataka in different prisons, starting from Dharwad prison, Bijapur prison, Mysore prison, Shivamogga prison. So all the accused in this case have been shifted to different prisons spanning across Karnataka. However, the A1 in this case, Pavitra Gowda and her associates, they will, however, continue to remain in Bengaluru's Parapanagaraha prison is what we are learning. And even when Darshan is shifted to the new prison in Bellary, he will be put inside a high security cell to ensure that such instances where VVIP treatment is meted out to him does not repeat again is what we are being told. Apart from that, security is also to be beefed up in this particular cell. That includes increasing CCTV manpower, incorporating AI into CCTV visuals. So all these, security measures will be taken up by the prison department to ensure that such VVIP treatment meted out to Darshan does not repeat again.
All right. Well done to Anaga and all the team on the ground, because remember, it is this consistent push and follow-up that has led to this change. But a bigger question, what if there were no proof and evidence eventually of what unfolded? He would have continued to enjoy. He's literally asking another person if he's okay, if he's eaten, while he's clearly chilling away. Unbelievable, but perhaps a reminder of what happened in this case. Thank you very much, Anaga, for the latest.